Yeah?
Yeah, we are at Milton Keynes Festival, the biggest festival ever to happen in Milton Keynes.
In the province.
In the district of
Saka MP vekunoku Diana nomiririra dunhu. Oh. Ngatiende tidye chikafu. Ngatitsvage chikafu. Tadiwa nenzara. Pizza. Okay. Saka muri kudyawo pizza?
So I'm not with...
I'm still local.
No.
I'm still in region munom.
Yeah.
Mabva kure?
No, the thing is, I don't understand what you're saying.
Did you come from away? Haisi song yenyama maitambisa GT here. Ndiyo kai? Yeku GT. Mwenda kakustage. Mwenda kakustage. Vanokuzivai. Saka muri kuhodei?
Tasai uko mchona watu mkude.
Chich.
Patata.
Goma chips.
Tore opi.
So guys, today it's a food festival to food festival, but the weather is it's a bit cloudy now. Zuva rambotinyorei muzigore iro saka ende kuda kunaya, but anyway tichambove tiri panapa for probably the next 20-30 minutes kana bhega redu raita, bhega redu highway to hell kana raita toridya, then Orisia is waiting for her pizza dough kuti iite. Kana pizza dough yake yaita Orisia votanga kumugadzirira pizza yake apo. Then from there on toenda kune imwe festival Campbell Park. This is Milton Keynes Emerson Valley. Kangoroka charity fundraising food festival. Saka vakuenda kumota because it's starting to rain a bit. I don't know if you can notice, but you need to wait for this beggar, then follow them. Okay, so we've got our beggar. We'll go back to the car to know test. Okay, so this is our beggar. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Ooh! Chakanaka, nditi? Chinenge chakanaka. Alright, rega tikutestere tikudze kuti riri kutesta sei. Rakanaka bhega iri. Ende rakafuta kunaka futi. Alright, rega tiri damburirani tiri teste. Sese riri sei bhega rikunaka.
Kotadi, msuda wangu wote tadani singenisha bigi.
Tadi ndio ma chips.
Miendo.
Bhega rikunaka. Unako. Utonzi highway to hell bhega ratadya. Rega tinotry mamwe elsewhere. Timboona kuti zvo anotinakira sei. But Sese uda drink ipi? Mune appetizer ne Fanta ne Okay, orisiya uda chi? Okay. Ndipiro orisiya. Kokora irimo. Alright. Akakwazonaya ka. Tamota tauya titiza mvura. But I think toenda kumwe kwacho then tozodzoka panapa. Because panapa no na 6 ndokunge kumwe zvinoenderana nekumwe kwataenda kuti kunenge kuri sei. Saka taakumbosumuka toenda kumwe kwacho. There where they actually can improve. So guys, we're going to Campbell Park, where there's another Thai food festival. We should be there in the next couple of seconds, and we'll sample a bit of Thai food. And there's a third place that we wanted to go to, but it depends. If it's still open by the time we are done here, then we will go. But if it's not, then we'll stay here or go back to where we were before. Hi guys, so we've just arrived at Campbell Park. We are looking for parking now. Beautiful scenes. Hopefully the food is going to be tasty, because we are getting a bit hungry now. Auntie Tadi, takuita nzara anditi. Letipake nelibhesi tizobuda easy. Color. That's the vibe at Campbell Park. That's where we are going. I think that's where the stage is. Okay, so we've come back to get the chairs. I think we may as well just carry them. It looks like there's a lot of fun in there. We won't be coming back to the car to grab anything else. We'll just carry everything. And it says tungotakura zvatinogona.
Okay.
Vari kutaura zvekusnika madrinks. Saka the sneak master is going to get a few. Sasa even wakamaisa imo madrinks iwaya hapinde. Because pamwe tinochekwa pagedhi. Wadi kuisa mukabhegi kakwako. Kanokwana. Ungisa anokwana. Ende pachiri pacho. Hey, guys, we are in. We've come into the magic of Thailand. I don't know if you can see that bit. Magic of Thailand. We've just come in there. So this is another spot where people are just having fun. There's a bit of stage action as well, and it looks like there's going to be a bit of wrestling or boxing, I don't know. So all this is for charity. Kids are having fun. There's food around, there's drink around. So we'll find a spot to set up first. Then once we've set up, we'll have a walk around and find something to eat. Hopefully we'll have a good burger like we had before, or something even better and different. Looks like there's a lot more variety here than where we were. And it's Thai anyway, so it's going to be delicious. After on knockout. And it Nepana bandit. So no, that's it, thank you. So this is what we've gone for, and we've also ordered Thai barbecue sticks, and this is the chicken sweet and sour and chicken cashew nuts. So this is what we bought: Thai pork sticks, and that's half and half of the chicken. Chicken wings, Thai style, noodles and spicy wings. Means sorry. Okay, nice, thank you. Cheers, guys, to a fantastic cloudy day. Yay! Hey.